So we're going to have a look at this light bulb and just some of the problems that people come across. Most of it's fairly straightforward. You can put in center lines, you can draw your circles and arcs, you can get these parts of the lower parts that are produced by offsetting a center line. We don't have exact details on the lugs or the contacts on the bottom. You can just make those up. Not worried about the exact details there. But the thing that gets people all the time is this little arc in here. How do you do that? And the answer is you have to construct the center. You have to locate the center. We know that it passes through this point, and we know that it is tangent to a vertical line here, 31 millimeters apart either side of the center. So I've got one that's partially drawn here that I prepared earlier, and let's just do that part. So first of all, we know that the arc passes through this point here, and we know that it's a radius of 10, so we can sit on that point and we can draw a circle with a radius of 10. I've got diameter here, so I'll just go diameter 20. Okay. I could even so the center of the arc is somewhere on this circle. Now I'll just draw in the lines. Let's draw in a quick center line here, which we will offset to get our vertical sides. So they're 31 apart. I'll just bring the drawing over. So we've got 31 across here. So we'll just put in these vertical lines here. So we're going to offset half of 31, which would be 15.5. Over that side. Now we know that our arc, the arc that we're looking for, is tangential to this line. That means the center of it must be 10 millimeters away from that line. So if we offset a distance of 10, that line, our center must be somewhere on that line. We've already said it's somewhere on that circle, so that has to be our center there. Let's reuse this circle. Let's move it. We'll just pick it up on the center, and let's move the center to there, and there's our arc. It passes through that point. It's tangential to that line there. Trim it up. Okay, we don't need those, and we need to drop in a fillet in here. We'll just have a look what size that was. So it's a radius of 40. So let's see if we can do it with a fillet. Radius 40 between there and there. And there it is, nicely trimmed back. We can do a mirror of those objects. It looks like it's pretty well taken out the line. There's not much of that line left. There's actually a bit of vertical line there. And we'll do a mirror about the center line, keep the previous part, and there it is finished.